Good evening, guys. Yeah, not a good morning, good evening. So all day long I was trying to run away from the rain, and I ended up traveling about 400 kilometers, and I'm in a city called Genova, and I actually passed that. So because I was going only the highways, I'm not good planning to film, and I wasn't planning, and I didn't film anything. But because we are right now in the camping spot, which was pretty lovely, by the way, I will try to show you how am I traveling, my all gear set up. So maybe somebody gonna find it helpful, maybe not, but let's try to look what it is in my bags. This is how when it's very hot, I have my armor and my moto jacket underneath, and it's actually strapped up over here. What do I have over here? That's one of my camera when it's raining, so I'm keeping over here. Something from the mosquitoes, and I always keep my spare batteries with the charger for my DJI Osmo Action. And sometimes I put a little bit of food. That's how much I have left over here. There is my knife always. There is my knife, my kitchen, and always the wet wipes. Then it's my reckless revolver 80. On the top I always have my disc bag. I will show you later what is inside. Over here I have my deodorant, my first aid, a small one, my sandals, expensive ones, pair number 2. It's always with me. It's like this. I think it's impossible to travel without the sandals. Over here I have my dry suit, in the other side over here I have my spare tool, all my tools. Still carrying this coolant from Lithuania in the same bottle I've got. I didn't change because it's very convenient to have it stored over here. That's a right hand side bag that goes inside the tent, and it's always in the right hand side lately because it's a little heavier, because my tools are very heavy, so that's the reason I have heavier bag over there. And this side is my tent. I have these spare bags over here, and in here there's my water, spare water, which one I always carry because I want to have a little bit more than in my backpack. And over here fits my little compressor. I have exactly the same bag over here, which one carries a little bit different stuff. My inner tube, one more deodorant for the colder weather. It's a net warmer for my wheels, my glasses, and another one hard drive. This is a slow one, it's not a SSD, but I think I will need to use because this is 4 terabytes and I'm gonna need to use it. Then I have pepper, salt, and this is for my attaching the stuff. Heavy duty gloves, or this warm gloves, just for the cold time if I will need it. Motorcycle cover. Somebody asked what kind of motorcycle cover is this. By the way, not original. This is from my dry suit. It's from AliExpress. Just cheap, 10 euro maybe. But it's good only for 1 year, because after that it starts going like this. That's a base of my tent. Top of my tent, my chair, and my laundry. Sticks are in the tote bag attached over here. That's where is my tent sticks. They live over there. It's another one back, and that's where lives my warm jacket, my sleeping pad, my pillow, and my sleeping bag. 4 Celsius, but you know, 4 Celsius, I almost died in Norway with 4 Celsius over there. And that's my setup, guys. I forgot to film what is inside that top bag. Inside, as you see, there is a computer, my all electronic stuff, then my clothes in the bag, and extension cord. Helmet is always over there. And that's where I sit when I edit my videos. I showed that before, but maybe new subscribers haven't seen it. Maybe somebody's interested. So I hope you like this little video. Alright, see you in the next. Guys, raining and huge thunders. And tomorrow is the same. Maybe I'll stay over here one more day, because after tomorrow looks like better weather. It's going away already, but crazy weather, crazy.